Ever tripped over saying to the rink or to the stadium in French? That, what's the word? Moment. But today we'll unlock au, à la, au, and L apostrophe for to the in just under 10 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. Bienvenue sur French Made Simple, the place to learn French clearly, confidently, and step by step. Before we move to the places, let's remind ourselves how the definite article works. As you know, there are 4 ways of saying the in French. Do you remember what they are? Pause if needed. Le is for masculine nouns. For example, le stade, the stadium. La is for feminine nouns. La patinoire, the ice rink. Les is for plural nouns. Les magasins, the shops. L apostrophe is for vowels. For example, l'église, the church. Remember how the article song goes?
L'apostrophe French article don't stop. L'apostrophe, sing it once and you're on top. Feminine nouns use la, like la chaise, oh la la. But if it's plural, don't delay. Les work for all. Hooray! L'apostrophe French article don't stop. L'apostrophe.
First, to the with masculine nouns. If a and le come together in a sentence, they join up to become au. Let's go through an example together. You want to say, I go to the stadium. To is a in French. The is le, as we know. But we cannot say je vais à le stade. A and le have to blend together, remember? Je vais au stade. I'm going to the stadium. Say it. Je vais au stade. What about le centre commercial? Je vais au centre commercial. Your turn. Je vais au centre commercial. Here's a tip for you. Au sounds like, oh, okay. Now you sound way too excited to go to the shopping center. Now, feminine nouns. This is an easy one. No contraction needed here. I go to the ice rink is literally je vais à la patinoire. Say it. Je vais à la patinoire. Now, I go to the fair. Je vais à la fête foraine. Your turn. Je vais à la fête foraine. À la is like a fancy French dance step. Step to the fair. Next, vowels. It's just as straightforward as à la. Let's take l'hôpital, the hospital. You want to say, I go to the hospital. We keep a for to and L apostrophe in front of the vowel. Je vais à l'hôpital. Simple. Say it. Je vais à l'hôpital. Brilliant. Now, I go to the church. Je vais à l'église. Your turn. Je vais à l'église. If you followed this far, then the last one will be a piece of cake. Remember when we contracted a and le for masculine places? It gave us au. Now, add a next to it. What do you think this one is for? Well, plural, of course. X, like S, is a mark of plural. Here, a and les join forces to become au. Let's use les magasins, the shops, as an example. You want to say, I go to the shops. A and les come together and become au. Je vais au magasin. Ça y est. Je vais au magasin. Amazing. Now it's your turn. I'll give you a place and you say je vais to the place. So you need to use the correct version of to the. Numéro 1. Le parking. Je vais au parking. Numéro 2. La piscine. Je vais à la piscine. Numéro 3. Les toilettes. Je vais aux toilettes. Amazing! Well done. You've officially mastered to the in French. Now it's time to shine. Make sentences with le stade, l'église, les toilettes. And now let's sing to places. See you next time. À bientôt.
Où vas-tu? Come with me. On chante tous deux en français. Je vais à la poste, tu vas à la patinoire. Il va à la fête foraine, à la fort féminine place. Où vas-tu? Je vais au café, ou peut-être à l'hôtel. Who knows, just come along. Je vais au stade, tu vas au parking. Il va au centre commercial. Such fun together. Quand le mot est masculin, pas de stress, c'est certain. À elle le make, so c'est logique. Now sing along. Où vas-tu? Je vais au parc, ou peut-être au magasin. Who knows, just come along. Où vas-tu? Je vais au parc, ou peut-être au magasin. Who knows, just come along. Je vais au magasin, tu vas aux toilettes. Elles vont au stade, let's go en ville together. Quand le mot est au pluriel, c'est au et dans next. Let's do French together, c'est facile, now sing along. Je vais à l'hôpital, tu vas à l'église. Il va à l'hôtel, l'apostrophe, faux vowel. À la O, à l'apostrophe, oh now you know them. On va les chanter always, let's use them to say where we go. Où vas-tu? Je vais à la banque, ou peut-être au marché. Who knows, just come along. Où vas-tu? Je vais à la banque, ou peut-être au marché. Who knows, just come along. Alors, tu vas où? Moi, je vais à la patinoire.